How is everyone today? Hope everyone's doing well. Today we're going to take a look and do the RF power test, which I've been promising to do on the FBA-39 AA battery case for the FT5 to see what the power output is. So in order to do this test, we're going to be using the Bridgecomm little HT SWR watt meter. If you haven't seen this video, this is a cool little device. Go back and watch that video. Worthy little device to have. And somewhere in here, there's a little SMA dummy load rated at 5 watts. So I know the FT5 doesn't produce over 5 watts, so that's what we're going to be using. We're going to be testing into a dummy load. And yeah, I don't have any alkaline batteries, but what I am going to be doing is using some nickel metal hydrides. Yes, the nickel metal hydride is a little less voltage, so maybe the power output's not going to be the same, but this is all relative to give us just a general idea where we're at, or approximately the power level. I mean, that's not a bird watt meter, so you know, everything at this point is relative. Let me get some batteries into this. Let me get the radio shut off, and let's see if we can even maneuver in different power settings with this battery. So I'm not even sure if the radio will recognize it and give us the different power options. So let's compare this to the original factory battery. And there's those 3 little holes right there. I'm wondering if there's pins that the radio can monitor what battery's in there, determine such. So anyways, that's just my hypothesis. Let's proceed. You're probably saying, why does the fool have it labeled FT5DR? Well, got an FT60. ID 51, 878, VX6, I don't know how many different radios I have. Once you look at a battery pack and trying to go through the storage area where you keep these things, it gets confusing. So anyways, it does have 2 contacts right there. So it must sense, well, that's where it's going to pick up the, well, no, I guess right there is where it picks up the voltage to the radio. So maybe those are to monitor what battery packs it's also. I don't know. Let's see what happens here. Let me get some nickel metal hydrides into there, and we'll be back. I guess for this test, I'm going to try out the new EBL nickel metal hydrides. They're supposed to be 2300 milliamp hours batteries. Be leery which way you put the batteries in. You're not sure, check the cover. The cover shows you. You can see it printed. Up, down, up. Or down, up, down. I'll have to go over that with some black marker. But anyways, yeah, make sure you got the polarity correct. Okay, I got it working with the AA battery pack. So now let me get the antenna off and get the watt meter and dummy load hooked up. Okay, we got the watt meter on there. I'm not even sure what power level setting that's at. Let me just key up. Getting 1 watt. I think it said 1 watt. It looks like the radio shut itself off. Yep, it did. Close enough to 1 watt. Oh, let's go into the menu and figure out what power level setting that's at. Low 2. Backing out here. 87.8. Okay, now we got the radio, the battery pack seated a little bit better. Sorry to deal with this. Kind of hard to do one-handed. Oops. Okay, now we got it seated. It only gives you low 1 or 2. Aha. Maybe 0.38, 35, 38. Okay, batteries might be going weak here since they're not alkalines. What does that say? Low 1. Let's go low 2. Back out of there. Key up. So say 0.79 800 milliwatts versus 350. There we go.